Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 BMW M4. The 2024 BMW M4 has been named the best luxury sports car for 2025, highlighting its exceptional blend of performance, design, and luxury. As the latest iteration of BMW's celebrated M4, this model continues to set the standard for high-performance sports cars with its powerful engines, dynamic handling, and upscale features. Exceptional performance and handling. The 2024 BMW M4 delivers an exhilarating driving experience with its impressive engine lineup. The base M4 features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine that produces 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque. For even greater performance, the M4 competition variant boasts a tuned version of the same engine, generating 503 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. The M4 competition can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, showcasing its remarkable speed and agility. Both models come with a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, while an optional 8-speed automatic transmission provides even quicker gear changes. The M4's rear-wheel drive system, combined with its adaptive M suspension and electronically controlled dampers, ensures exceptional handling and stability. Whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway, the M4 offers a balanced and engaging driving experience. Bold design and luxurious interior. The 2024 M4 stands out with its bold and aggressive design, featuring a striking front grille, sharp lines, and a low, muscular stance. The rear end is equally eye-catching, with quad exhaust outlets and a pronounced diffuser that enhance its sporty appeal. Inside, the M4 offers a driver-centric cabin crafted from premium materials such as leather and carbon fiber. The cockpit includes a high-resolution 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with BMW's iDrive 8.0 interface. The seats are both supportive and comfortable, designed to provide optimal support during spirited driving. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 BMW M4 is equipped with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies enhance driving safety while maintaining the M4's performance-focused character. Conclusion. The 2024 BMW M4's exceptional performance, distinctive design, and luxurious interior have earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. With its powerful engines, agile handling, and high-end features, the M4 remains a top choice for those seeking a sports car that delivers both excitement and sophistication.